All right, I'm here today just over the border from South Jersey. I am at the Nemours Mansion, Nemours Estate, Nemours Gardens, built by Alfred I Dupont. This place is incredible. I'm going to take you for a tour inside the mansion, show you around the gardens. My wife Katrina is here joining me today, so hi everyone. So join me for the tour. We're also going to check out the chauffeur garage, with one of the first garages built in the state of Delaware, maybe even in the country. A couple of awesome cars in there. So a lot to see here on the tour, and it is decorated for Christmas. Beautiful decorations, beautiful Christmas trees, handmade decorations. So awesome tour. I'm inviting you to join me as we check out the Nemours Estate, Nemours Mansion, and the gardens. The archway here is super cool. The ceiling's about, what do you think, 15 feet, 17 feet tall? And the detail is incredible. This is the morning room. Wow. Lovely morning room. Office there, desk there. Is this the third wife here?
That's the third wife, Jessie Bull, yes. And this is the drawing room. The word drawing comes from wood drawing, so not drawing with pencil. So wood drawing, the ladies would withdraw after dinner here and continue their evening.
Conservatory. This tree. Love this tree. They got the feathers on here. Bird on the top. Wow. Music room. Ukulele there. Yeah, really detailed. Look at the stairway going upstairs. Stained glass window, incredible chandelier.
Alfred had an office in the basement, in the lower level.
Okay.
Jessie used this to meet with her staff. She wrote Christmas cards in here. She did some correspondence in here, and kind of was a multi-purpose catch-all room, I think. Probably. And the ornaments over here on this tree were handmade by one of the...
This is the library.
This is the original ornaments.
My goodness, look at all
Back in the 20s. She had an office, Jessie had an office across the street from Woolworths.
fireplace.
Woolworths was the first
Look at the details here.
the glass ornaments from the area. So we think she probably went across the street.
I love the ceiling.
And this is a
Arched ceiling.
from Woolworths from the 20s.
So cool. Is this a safe? This is where they would...
It's a silver safe.
Silver safe.
Silver is very valuable.
Wow.
where to go.
Oh, part of the fan. This is how they would know which room to go to, huh?
Here. They were like, were they like technically like the ice boxes instead of the refrigerator type of thing? Yeah.
Exactly. When the house was first built, there was electricity.
Fourth floor.
Yeah, like over 200 pounds, over 200 pounds.
Oh wow.
Hey Carver Township near Atlantic City, Ocean City. The refrigeration room.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here is the kitchen. Your pots, pans. Making some cookies. Big windows. Got a sink here, sink here. Pots and pans. You gotta read in here. Wow. Another pantry right here. Your Maxwell House coffee right there. Good stuff. Look at this stove. Huge range right here. Grill right up here. Copper pots. Those copper pots are awesome too. Wow. Vulcan. Staff diner.
And the floor's original. They waxed it really good and shiny when it was used by the staff. And so is the sink and lights. Where they've been modified.
Christmas tree here. All the different countries and staff within the thing.
And then across the hallway used to be the staff sitting room.
Oh, man.
But right now we're using that for
This is a gingerbread house.
For us, so we hope to
Oh, my
have that
goodness.
converted
That's
to the
gingerbread.
staff sitting room together. So
This is
this
the
is a
mansion.
cozy little room with fireplace.
Wow.
One of our guides is a Girl Scout leader, and I think she had her troop help her make that gingerbread house.
A Girl Scout made this?
I think the troop leader did a lot of it.
Wow. That's incredible.
And then when you go out the door, there is a restroom here at the end. But if you go out the door, walk past the porta potties. Beyond that is
This is the laundry room. It's actually a separate building from the house, which is really cool. Got a row of tubs, a row of big sinks right here. I don't know what that is, some kind of old washing machine there. Christmas trees. Oh, this is like a press here, flattening fabrics. With this machine. Wow. So behind me here is a chauffeur's garage, one of the first garages built for a car. So we'll go take a look at that next. Yeah, this is the chauffeur's garage. Beautiful. Beautiful wood doors. We'll check out some of these cars here in a minute. Wow. We got the trees in here too. Yeah, and room for the boat too. Boat. Little train set going on here. Look at this boat, so cool. Little seats here. Doors too. Phantom V Town Car and Silver Wraith, 1951 and 1960. And beautiful cars. There's the 1951 Rolls Royce here. Wow. Now this thing looks like it looks like it's brand new, doesn't it? 1933 Buick Coupe. Look at they call that patina on that. And this looks like it's original. Big car too. Got the rumble seats in the back. Wow. Here we have the 1924 Cadillac. And look at the front end on that. The grille. White wall tires. Yeah, it's really cool. It's got a roof rack up there. It's a big car. Looks like you could get quite a few people in there. That visor there on the front window. Really, really cool. 1921 Cadillac Renault. Check this out. Look at the fenders on here. They kind of come out kind of aerodynamic there. Green wheels. Really cool. That windshield, it's like a split windshield. It looks like those windows actually can come down so you have some airflow coming through there. And the doors, those doors are wicker. Looks like wicker. Looks like wicker that you can be able to see right through. I'm not sure if that's the case or not. It looks like it's wicker. Really cool. Take a look at these garage doors. You can have a garage door. Man, this is a garage door. Look at the mechanicals on this thing. Locking mechanism right there. Amazing. This is like a mechanical room, it looks like. Storing stuff. I don't know what all these bolts and stuff are up here. It's amazing. And this is just the garage. Wow. And the chauffeurs actually did live upstairs. This was the living quarters upstairs above the garage. Day at the Nemours Mansion and Gardens. Nemours Estate. Here's the back of the house. Conservatory over there. This is all gold. 24 karat gold, right? Gardens are amazing here. Nemours Mansion and the hospital's right back there. This is at the front of the house. This property is incredible. Really something if you get a chance to see in person, definitely want to check this out in person. And look at the size of this planter. This is probably about 6 or 8 feet wide. Incredible. So now we're in the gardens in the front of the house, and it is absolutely incredible here. The decorations for Christmas are beautiful. Now inside the Nemours Mansion, the second floor is closed. The basement man cave is closed. I was looking forward to seeing that. They actually had a bowling alley down there. Alfred I Dupont was definitely ahead of his time. A lot of really neat innovations inside the house. So do you want to check out the tour if you're here? Grounds are beautiful, decorations are beautiful for Christmas this time of year if you want to check it out. Also, these are the largest French gardens in North America, so definitely something very unique. You get to experience it here as you visit the Nemours Estate. So here's the fountain. Actually, right now, no water in the fountain, but beautiful fountain right here. We'll have to come back again in the spring or summer and check this out when everything's in bloom. Really neat. So fountain, and this is gold. Steps going down. Incredible. Really beautiful. It doesn't really do justice here, but look at the color of these trees. Incredible. Pond here. There's a lot to explore here. This is the Oriental Garden section. Beautiful pond here. We also have the gatekeeper's house right here at the front. Here we are in the lower gardens. There's a staircase from the lower gardens going up. Fountain. Take a look at the detail here. So finishing up my day here at the Nemours Estate, Nemours Gardens, Nemours Mansion, Alfred I Dupont. I mean, this place is really incredible. If you get a chance to come out here to Wilmington, just over the border from South Jersey, definitely encourage you to come out and take a look. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe for more updates. Most of my videos are real estate related tours in South Jersey. I've ever wanted to show you this house. I think it's really something worthwhile to come and take a look at if you get a chance to come over here. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the house, the property, and the history here is really amazing. The staff here are great. They explain a lot as you're going through the mansion, as you're going through the facilities. So it's a lot to learn and to soak in here, and encourage you to check it out if you're in the area, and really could spend a half day here pretty easily. A lot to see here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.